G'day, it's Mark here. I'm looking forward to taking delivery of my little Peugeot 202 from 1938. So the seller's dropping it off to me, and yeah, I'm really looking forward to seeing it. Here it comes, the little Peugeot 202 from 1938. Very cool. Very cool.
Okay, this is really easy.
Yeah.
Okay, I've got cars that are complicated. This
Yeah.
is easy. So just there, that button there. This
Yep.
one here, push it in.
Yeah.
The red light comes on.
Yes.
Okay, make sure it's in neutral or whatever.
Yeah.
And this one over here.
Right.
And then to switch it off, just pull it out.
Right.
That's it. Now to put the handbrake on,
Yes.
pull the handbrake all the way.
Yes.
Just this one here.
Yep.
Just click it like that and it'll hold.
Right.
If you don't do that,
Yes.
it'll
It's
keep
not
doing
right.
that. So
Okay.
you need to lock it there.
Yeah.
Headlights here.
Yes.
That's the headlights.
Okay.
Okay, so that's it. The rest of the buttons you'll need to just work it out. That is the choke.
It's not connected though, is it?
It does work, but then you've got to manually
Turn it off.
turn it
right.
off. But it'll start without.
Okay.
It's been sitting around.
All right. Fantastic. So that's a little Peugeot 202 from 1938. Such a lovely little car, beautiful Art Deco styling inside and out. So really looking forward to it. It's the oldest car I've got in the collection. And yeah, I'm interested to learn more about it and do a little bit of work on it and just use it. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that short little grab, and thanks for watching. Please give the episode a thumbs up, and always hit the subscribe button and follow along on the channel. There's a whole lot of content on there of a whole lot of different vehicles. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.